Hi, I'm Dr. Alistair Graham. Root canal treatment sounds like a very scary thing to have done, and a lot of patients are nervous of it, and understandably so. However, the reality is having the root canal treatment done at the clinic is a pretty boring appointment for the patient. The area is frozen, a rubber dam is placed over the tooth, so we isolate the tooth that we're working on so you don't get any of the stuff in your mouth, and then we do the procedure. A lot of the scary stories that you've probably heard previously about root canal treatment are about the pain. Now normally that's the pain that you had that meant that you needed root canal treatment. It's not the pain of the procedure itself. So it's not as scary as it sounds. It usually takes about 90 minutes and the dentist freezes the area that you're going to be working on, cleans out the inside of the tooth and places a filling inside the root of the tooth. The procedure is then finished, and at a later date you'll have a crown placed on that tooth.